Halloween. It's so spooky. Today, Poppy and I are going to make something spooky. But friendly. Come on. Truly, look. The neighbors have a spooky ghost. Wow. He's so floaty. We should have a ghost too. A friend ghost. Mom! We have a great idea. We want to build our own ghost.
A ghost? That sounds like fun. Is it going to be a spooky ghost?
No, a friend ghost.
Aha! How about this old white sheet? And you can use these couch pillows for his body.
And the big chair can be his head. Okay, ready. Heave-ho. Whoa! He's so big.
Poppy, look. He's perfect. But he's missing something.
A face. He needs a happy face.
See? He's not spooky at all.
What's his name? You like some tea, Gus? And a cookie? They are chocolate chips.
He said thank you. He has very nice manners.
Our mission was a success. This is Gus. He's our very first friend ghost. See?